Boehringer Ingelheim presents P-Track, the first on-farm tool developed in collaboration with Accent Systems that will allow farmers to trace risks associated with pathogen-carrying agents like people or objects. When planning a control plan for a disease like PRRS, it is essential to follow a systematic approach like the 5-step process. The first and second steps aim at setting the goals and expectations and determine the current status of the farm. On the third step, we must identify the constraints, namely the biosecurity and management risks that we have in our farm or system. Then, we can propose the solutions, and finally, in step 5, we implement them and monitor the results. Some risks that complicate disease control are associated with pathogen-carrying agents, like objects, people and animals, and they normally remain undetected. Now, Boehringer Ingelheim introduces P-Track, the ultimate tool to monitor those risks with the beacon technology of Accent Systems. P-Track is a pathogen tracing kit that allows to trace and monitor multiple risks associated with pathogen-carrying agents in the farms: objects, farm staff, visitors or fomites. Using P-Track, veterinarians and farmers can measure and analyze in real time risky events related with movements, for example, employees or visitors moving from a quarantine barn into the nursery, or sharing certain tools or objects in different barns, like fattening and farrowing. Also, P-Track can measure positioning inside or outside buildings, and with this property, the areas of the farm associated with more risky events can be easily identified. For example, stepping outside onto the dirty side of the loading dock, which has been linked with new outbreaks of disease, can be detected faster and corrected earlier. PRRS is a complex disease that requires a systematic approach to control using all the best available tools. Boehringer Ingelheim continues to work on solutions that benefit the swine industry by focusing on all aspects of prevention. Now, with P-Track, it will be faster and easier to improve the implementation of biosecurity measures. Boehringer Ingelheim is committed to continue developing and offering innovative solutions and tools to help control PRRS and other challenging swine diseases. Prevention works, shaping the future of swine health.